Sometimes the best way to make money is by doing what you already love doing. I'm going to show you 4 amazing side hustles for moms that are easy and fun to learn and can earn you a lot of extra cash in your spare time, have more time for yourself, and work less so you can spend more time with your family. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. The average mom spends 40 hours a week on her job. That's a lot of time. Why not spend your time in a creative way? With the rise of work-from-home jobs, there are more options than ever for moms to make extra income without ever quitting the day. Side hustles are now a part of life, and they can be used to earn extra money while you're at home with your kids. Here, I'll be sharing 4 amazing side hustles for moms that will make you more than happy with the results. 1. Blogging. Blogging is a popular way to make money online. The internet has provided an opportunity for every person with an opinion and a story to share their thoughts with the world. With so many people jumping into blogging, it is difficult for any individual blog owner to make money. Some successful bloggers have found success by building up their own audience and monetizing through advertising or affiliate marketing. 2. Virtual assisting. Virtual assisting is a relatively new profession. It is gaining a lot of traction as people are realizing its potential. Virtual assistants are given the responsibility of doing tasks that require manual work such as customer service and sales. They can also be employed in customer service, support, and marketing departments to help them with their work. Virtual assistants can also be hired to do data entry and data analysis for companies that don't have the resources to do so themselves. This job would usually require training on how to use specific software or software packages that the company uses. 3. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a lucrative career option. It is one of the fastest-growing industries, and the demand for digital marketers is increasing. If you're looking to make money in digital marketing, there are many options available to you. However, it's important to know that not all digital marketing jobs are created equal. Some jobs pay well and are well-suited for entry-level workers, while others require extensive experience and a lot of skills. The good news is that there are plenty of ways to make money in digital marketing without necessarily having any experience or being an expert. 4. Online teaching. Online teaching is a great way to make money online. There are many ways to make money as an online teacher. This option is for people who have a lot of experience teaching kids or adults but don't have any formal teaching qualifications. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.